Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Traverse key fob here. It works for these models 2025 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2450 and you can find this battery everywhere and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side. Right here you see this small button. Now you need to press this button and this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. This key. Alright, now when you remove this mechanical key, right in this side, in this hole, this is the side with the buttons facing down, and we need to remove this back piece over here, and the easiest way to remove it, and now take this mechanical key and with the tip only, insert the tip only in this hole here, like this, and when you insert it, just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. So you can very easily remove this back piece over here. And now when you remove it over here, right after that, in this place, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, here is very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver or the mechanical key, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just install your new battery like this. And also it's very important, the side that faces you, this side here, is the positive side. So make sure this is correct. Alright, and now when you insert the battery, take this back piece again. Make sure you align it perfectly here like this, everything to fit together, and snap them together. And when you snap them together just like this here, take this mechanical key and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.